Once I asked His Holiness Mahavishnu Goswami Maharaj, why do we worship the sun? And Maharaj said, because the sun is always doing his duty on time. It is very profound and very powerful. So the key word in the Gayatri mantra, Prachodaya, please enthuse us. So when we actually do things specifically on time, we become more enthusiastic in doing our duty. And for those who are addicted to procrastination and laziness and no steady routine, it helps to learn this key point from Dina's time management system. That is, it's very good if you can start on time and end on time. But whenever you start any particular activity on your schedule, if you started late, still you must end it on time, so that your next item will be on time, and you will also feel more enthusiasm to start on time the next day. So remember, it's great if you can start on time and end on time, but to live in the present, always, whatever you do, whenever you start, even if you start late, end on time. And that way, you stop wasting time, then you can start adding more activities into your daily routine. Hare Krishna. We recorded this sun rising because the theme of our morning service in devotion Facebook page is dedicated to those of us who rarely see the sunrise. It's so beautiful to be awake in the morning and to see the sunrise. Perfect way to start the day. Always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. In this one simple rule, all the rules and regulations of all the scriptures in the world are found in their completeness. That is from the Padma Purana. Hare Krishna.